If you are one of the millions of people that are suffering from insomnia, then you should know that there are some things you can do to make it less of a problem. While many turn to prescription medications, they don't always work and they can have a big impact on your health and your pocketbook. Not to worry, there are other ways to combat sleeplessness, and we will look at some of the best ones in this article. There are many causes of insomnia, with hormonal imbalance and stress being two of the biggest culprits. While the items below will help in a lot of cases, your case may be more severe. If so, then see your doctor, as a prescription may be your best alternative. But before you go that route, try these things first. 1. Loosen up. Okay, I'll be the first to admit that this is easier said than done, but it is the first step to beating insomnia. We all have things to worry about, but you have to find a way to let those things go before bedtime. In fact, by purposely forgetting them before retiring for the evening, you may actually solve those problems while you sleep. However, if you go to bed with the intention of solving a hard problem, then your subconscious will work differently by trying to keep you awake to solve. It all sounds counterintuitive, but you have the best chance of solving your problems by not worrying about them before bed. At the same time, it's vital that you don't worry about how much sleep you will or won't get. Focusing on your insomnia is about the surest way to have insomnia. The key is to do things to help you unwind, to help you shift from the cares of the day to preparing to sleep. 2. Stay healthy. Exercising too close to bedtime will only serve to make it harder to fall asleep. However, if you exercise several hours earlier, your body will be more ready to sleep. Eating well is important to your overall health, and this extends to how well sleep. The healthier you are, the better you will sleep. Also, sleeping well is part of being healthy, so you will see a difference if you maintain a healthy lifestyle. 3. Learn relaxation techniques. There are many different techniques designed to help people relax and sleep better. You can purchase audio programs that use a form of guided meditation to help you drift off into a deep and restorative sleep. You can also try the following technique on your own. As you lie in bed, start at your toes and release all of the energy from them, letting them melt right into your mattress. Then move up to your feet, ankles, calves, knees, and all the way up to the top of your head. As you do this, you will be letting go of the tension you have built up over the course of your day and drifting off to sleep before you know it.